anybody that doesn't know how to take care of herself, like her face, make herself look pretty, that one is not a baddie at all. Hey guys, welcome back to another DIY video. So guys, today we'll be making cluster lashes with ordinary lashes. You guys, the rate of how things are expensive in this country these days, I just hope that we'll keep surviving, because looking good is good business. So guys, I want to show you guys how to make cluster lashes with your normal lashes. I know there are a lot of people that feel like before you get this set of lashes, there's some they call cluster lashes, just like what you saw here in the beginning of this video. But you can also use your normal lashes. All you have to do is to cut them into pieces, and you can see this is the one here. Cut them into pieces and then you fix them under, and voila, it will be looking like lash extensions. I swear, it will be looking like lash extensions. Just look at this eye that I've already fixed. Is already looking like lash extensions, because once you fix your lashes under, it's looking like lash extensions already. But let me tell you, it has disadvantages and it has advantages. Now you already know the advantages. If you fix your lashes under, it's going to look very natural, it's going to look pretty. And another thing is, it's not everybody that can do this on their own, right? Some people, you have to go to a salon or anywhere you can fix your lashes, but not by yourself. But the reason why I'm making this video is to teach you guys. DIY is do it yourself. If you can be able to fix your lashes by yourself, take care of your eyebrow by yourself, do your makeup by yourself, your skincare by yourself, do you know how much money you'll be saving, like on a monthly basis? You'll be saving a lot of money, especially if you're a girl that likes looking good. There are people that fix frontals every day and they don't want to come to my page, go to my YouTube and learn how to lay your frontal from the comfort of your own home. I don't have to drag you to come and learn this, but you must. Is it by force something? At least once in a while, you sit down and look at yourself in the mirror and say to yourself, I want to take care of this baby girl. The way you do things by yourself and the way others do them for you, they are totally different things. You understand? And while you're doing things for yourself, you do it exactly the way you want it. Let me tell you guys a story. There was one time, I think that's like years ago, that I went to carve my eyebrow at one salon like that. This woman, I left there bad. Like, she's bored or bad or whatever. All my eyebrows were gone. Like, where this woman kept shaping, I lost all my eyebrows. And since then, I told myself that I'm going to learn how to do these things so that I can be able to take care of myself and actually do them the way I want them to be done. So guys, let me know in the comment section what you think, and if there's any other thing you would like to learn, feel free to comment and I will show you. Make sure you follow and share. Bye.